And we're live. So, sup, multimedia Nazareno? You're the first one here. If you're still in the room, you can start snagging some sats. Streaming 5,000 sats a minute. And right now, you're the only one here. Oh, two people up in here. Um, we'll see who can snag them. You need a Lightning wallet that can snag um, if you want to grab some Satoshis. That left QR code on the top, giving away at most 5,000 sets per minute. Somebody just grabbed it. And then you're going to have to wait a minute till someone else can grab it again. Uh, but if you want to tip me, you can use the right QR code on the top. And there's also in the description how to make tips with dono.at. Um, that one, the dono.at, you can use any Lightning wallet. Um, and the top right, the two QR codes on the screen, you need a wallet that supports LNURL. Um, to make donations on the top right one, if you don't have a wallet that supports LNURL Pay, you can use lnurlpay.com, which is a site that I made to transform the QR code. But other than playing around with the Lightning Network, I got access to DALL-E credits this week. Congratulations to the person who's milking the sats right now. That's why I made it. I like to reward people who pay attention. um, so, um, so I was thinking we play around with DALL-E. I got like 20 credits left. Um, so might as well use them up on the stream. Um, but right now we can just hang out and snag some sets if people want to grab them. There are a couple people in here, so if you have any ideas of what to make with DALL-E, so the way DALL-E works is you can either enter text, so you just put in like the example on the screen says an impressionist oil painting of sunflowers in a purple vase. You can put something like that and it will generate an image. Or you can generate images based on an image, which is what's showing on the screen. Someone had posted this, the original image on the left on Twitter, which they got an image from Reddit, and then they just put a Bitcoin symbol like on the middle of the orange. And I put it into DALL-E and it generated the rest of the pictures. So you can do either or. You can do pictures or text. So now there's like 5 people in here. So yeah, you can play around with the sats. At most, it's giving away 5,000 sats per minute. I programmed it. So once we start playing around, once people get enough sats, I'll probably turn it off so people are less distracted and we can play around with DALL-E. But since there's not that much people here, we can just go in the chat if you guys want to recommend stuff for me to make with DALL-E. If you have a recommendation for an image, you can go on DM me on Twitter. I've been using my handle is plebpay. Um, so let me just write it in the chat for people who don't know. You probably found out from Twitter though. At plebpay on Twitter. So if you have a recommendation for an image, maybe go on to my last tweet on my profile and in the comments, drop a link to the image you want me to drop into DALL-E. Or if you have recommendations for text to put in there, then we can put in text. Or you guys can just keep claiming sats and I can just think of something to put in there. Um, or I can Google images if you guys have any recommendations. I can show you stuff I made. So this is an example. I tried to put Pepe the Frog in there. It didn't come out that good. Something it's hit or miss. Some things are pretty good, some things are not. I put a wool jack in there or soy jack. Uh, that was okay. Uh, I did these guys, the dual soy jacks. I did yes Chad. Uh, that one was okay. This one was kind of a miss though. I did Are You Winning Son? DALL-E doesn't do that good with memes that have like text on it. It just comes out as gibberish. So that's one thing I wouldn't recommend. This one came out pretty cool though. Um, just from the image on the left, it generated the next three images. I did like um, chickens playing with goats. That's pretty good because that's not even real. It just generated those images from the text. Kelly Slater in a barrel at Pipeline. I tried to make like some Wu Tang ones, but it did weird stuff. It just put like Wu Tang merch on the beach. I did Beavis and Butthead hosting the Grammys. Came out pretty weird. Uh, Somebody on Twitter wanted Minions discover Bitcoin. Um, so I tried to make a Plepe logo. It did not do a good job at that. Um, I did the normal Wojak, which is this one. Um, yeah, so DALL-E has to learn what a Wojak is because his or its Wojaks suck. Except this one was pretty funny. I did the you don't know meme, and you can keep telling it to generate variations, and it'll keep like changing it, which is pretty cool. What's up, Ed? You got any suggestions for DALL-E? What should I type in here? Um, let's try. Let's do the topic for tonight. Streaming 5,000 sats per minute. I bet you that's not going to be that good though. See what it makes. I guess people came just to get sats though. Nobody's talking in the chat. I thought you guys could help me make some stuff with DALL-E. Let's see. Streaming 5,000 sats per minute. What is this? It does not do good with text. I don't know what the hell. Uh, Streaming 5,000 sats looks like a young Jason Calacanis or something. um, Ed, what are you trying to figure out? How to get the sats? You better figure it out fast because somebody's taking all of it. I can just keep seeing it say 5,000 sats claim. Um, if you're trying to get the sats on the top left, you need a wallet that supports LNURL W. You can use Moon Wallet. You can use Wallet of Satoshi. I think Phoenix does it. Zebedee, of course. And also, if you want to tip me, this time people are just claiming sats, but I got all these stats because people tipped me a bunch of money last time. So if you want to tip me, there's the right QR code and dono.at/samsamskis. Those were put messages on the screen. So if you want to like display a message on the screen, you just tip the the Zebedee QR code or dono.at. I think Zebedee supports it. I didn't try it right now. You can try it. Uh, The whole thing that I'm doing. Oh, Ed, you're trying to figure out the whole thing that I'm doing? Um, which part? DALL-E or everything? I'm streaming using Streamlabs Desktop if you want to know all the tools I'm using. Streamlabs Desktop, I'm using the Lightning Network to uh, accept donations and also give donations. Tonight I'm giving donations a lot. Somebody's taking them all. I can see it going. Um, that's using so lots of different technologies. I put a lot of the technologies in the description of the YouTube video. A lot of the tech that I'm using on this. Zebedee is a custodial wallet, so when you tip me, it goes into my custodial wallet, and then I just send it to my own node later on. Um, and the the sets I'm giving away, the 5,000 sets a minute, that's using my own node. I'm running it on voltage. You can spin up a node super fast on voltage. What's up, Burnaby's in the house? What's up, Burnaby? Um, on voltage, you can spin up nodes real fast, so you can spin up 10 nodes if you want, and you know it charges you by the hour, so you can just spin them up, open channels to each other to play around. If you want to learn more about the Lightning Network, Voltage makes it super easy. Voltage.cloud, and then you get a free LNbit server with Voltage. So that's how I'm doing um, the faucet, where I'm giving you 5,000 sats a minute. Um, Punk rock potato salad. Shakazine, how did you find out about my stream? Long time no talk, man. So for people who don't know, uh, I grew up in Hawaii. Um, ruining my OPSEC right now, but most people already know that I grew up in Hawaii, and uh, I know Shakazine from Hawaii way back in the day, from like freaking ages ago. So punk rock, potato salad. Yeah, I used to go to all the punk rock shows in Hawaii. Hawaii used to have a punk rock scene. I don't know if it exists anymore. I don't think so. Or if it does, it's not as big as it used to be back in the day. Um, so let's see what punk rock potato salad brings up. Uh, so yeah, I used to go to the punk shows. I was like a skater, surfer kid, uh, and then had my own radio show. I used to make my own zines and stuff like that. But that did not work that well. Dolly's not that good with text, man. How was that a punk rock potato salad? That looked like the least punk rock potato salad I ever seen in my life. Maybe this one, just because it's all what? Yeah, yeah. Dolly failed on that one. When strike Hawaii? When Hawaii stops being dumb, you guys gotta vote out all the dummies. Maybe BJ Penn, he's running for governor, right? Maybe he can change things around so they're not being so dumb. They live Hawaii lives in the Stone Ages. Um, so we got to get some new leadership over there. Uh, they don't even support my company strike. Um, but yeah, all the states support strike except I think it's only Hawaii and New York, if I remember correctly. Um, but hopefully one day we can get to all the states. Other countries support our app before Hawaii did. We're in El Salvador, Argentina, and in the U.S. we're missing Hawaii and um, what do you call New York? Because New York is kind of dumb too, at least for finance stuff. They're the finance capital of the world too. What the hell? Um, got notified about my stream. The, the QR code is not changing anymore. Let me see if it ran out. Um, So let's see. There still should be stuff left on the QR code. Let me know if you guys are getting errors. Um, Either that or my app bugged out. I made a special app that wraps the LN bits so that you can so that it displays the success messages. It's possible my app crapped out. Let me see. Let me see what the error is saying. I might have to claim some sats though if it's let's see. Huh. Okay. I'm gonna turn up the music a little bit while I troubleshoot this. I think it's back. You can try it again. For some reason, I needed to toggle it on and off. I just scanned it and it came up. Um, should be back. Let me know if you guys have problems. I don't want to claim it because I want to give you guys all the sets. So let me know if it's not working. Other than that, anybody got ideas for the DALL-E? I can Google pictures too. It works better if we get a picture and then upload the picture. That's what I noticed. Anytime I tried to open text, I did like David Cho. It came up pretty good. Well, that one was text though. I just said graffiti by David Cho, and it just generated some. All right, later, Shakazine. Um, that's all right. You don't need to understand what I'm saying. Um, Let me check the LN bits to see if people have claimed it. Is it not working anymore? I'm gonna claim it then if it, let me see. It comes up when I scan it. Link not working. Oh man, did my LN bit server break? You guys went too ham on my LN bit server. Let me try update the link. Okay, I updated the link. Let's see. Could be that my LN-bit server just got borked. This is running straight off of my own node, so sometimes LN-bits has bugs. Let's try and make a new link then. I'm gonna turn the music up while I make a new link. Or maybe let's try just change the timeout. Let's see. The link's not working. I don't know, man. You guys got any ideas for put some ideas for DALL-E in the chat while I try to figure out the faucet. Alright, I made a new withdrawal QR code. You guys can try that one. If that doesn't work, I probably just gotta restart the LNbit server. See, oh, somebody had an idea for DALL-E. That's what I'm counting on you guys for. Give me some ideas. Snoop. Sometimes it doesn't like when you put in famous people's names. Snoop Dogg, Shiba Inu, Yoda, Blunt. See, it doesn't like it doesn't like when you put in people who are too famous, their names. Um, Tells you it's against their content policy. Okay, still not working. I'm gonna test it, and then if this is not working, I'll restart the um. It must be my LNbit server. Okay, I'm gonna hide this for now while it restarts. Okay. Restarting the server. The good old restart the server trick, like Solana always does. Yeah, the only way you learn, Ed, is you just play around um, and ask a lot of questions. That's how you learn anything. I notice the people that learn the fastest, they're not ashamed to just ask any question. They don't care if it's dumb. Just like classes I've been in, stuff like that, like even language classes, I learned how to speak French and stuff. And this girl that was in my class just asked a million questions, and she learned it way faster than I did. Um, so it's good to just tinker around with stuff and then um, ask a lot of questions. Ask questions on Twitter. Go to Bitcoin meetups and ask people questions there. You can ask questions in the chat here too. So, okay, it's back up. Let's see if it's working now. Why is it black? Oh, I gotta log into my dashboard. That's a weird thing too. Whenever you restart the LNbits server, you gotta like launch the dashboard, but then it goes into like a different screen. It's it's like a weird process. Let me see. Because LNbits doesn't have a login, which I think confuses a lot of people. So you gotta be careful if you're playing with LNbits. You have to bookmark the wallet once you make it, because there's no way to get back to it. Um, they are adding logins in the next version supposedly, but right now you launch LNbits and it makes a wallet, and if you don't bookmark it, you're screwed. Uh, let's see if we can refresh this page now. Why is it still black? Oh, there it's back. Somebody want to try grab it now and see if it works? If the old restart the server trick didn't work, then I don't know what will. But yeah, give me some more DALL-E. Uh, we can actually try Googling for pictures as well, rather than just typing in the text. Is it not working? Or are you guys just slow? Not working. Broke the broke the server. Let's try switch back to the other link. Unless I ran out of money. Oh, it wasn't working because I ran out of money. Let me put in. They should give a better error message to be like not sufficient funds, like your bank does. I just looked at you guys like totally drained me. I thought I put in enough money, but um I guess I did not. Uh, Unless somebody hacked me and figure out how to steal my money. Okay, how do I put money in now? Oh, there's the buttons. Let's see. Let's load it back up. Oh yeah. I don't know how to do math. That's why I miscalculated how much money, how many sats I had to put in there. Uh, so the patient people who stuck around will get some stats. If I can, yeah, let's see. Okay, I just funded it. Oh, somebody got it that fast? How'd that happen? It's like somebody was just waiting for me to update and just snagged it right away. Sacosaurus is working again. I ran out of sats. I'm a dummy. I didn't I didn't put enough sats in the faucet. I was I miscalculated. I was calculating 1,000 sats per minute, not 5,000 sats per minute. Um, so now we should have enough sats to give away the rest that's in the faucet. Um, I need an assistant, man. I got too many screens open. I'm trying to run the music. I need I need a what's Joe Rogan's helper, Jamie, or like a Rabbit Hole recap. They got car now. Um, uh, let's see. All right, what are we gonna put into DALL-E? I got 18 credits left on DALL-E. Let's see. Let's do I don't know, what should we do? So people who just tuned in, we tried to do punk rock potato salad and it was crappy. I mean, it's still pretty cool because those are not real pictures. The artificial intelligence just made those from scratch. Uh, but it didn't match the text that well. Um, this one was streaming 5,000 sats per minute, and that didn't work too well. Um, oh, let's do Bitcoin Citadel. Bitcoin Citadel. Let's see. Maybe DALL-E can help us design our Bitcoin Citadel. Total fail, man. What the hell is that? Stitted Bitad. What? I guess the design is pretty good for a Citadel, but I thought it would give us like a realistic one. Um, realistic Bitcoin Citadel by the ocean. I'd rather be by the ocean. Oh, that came out way better. You just gotta put in more words, I guess. Um, let's see what we got. It doesn't focus on the Citadel though. Whenever you type Bitcoin, DALL-E just makes these Bitcoin coins. At least it made it like a stone, like a Yap stone. Um, that's pretty good. I'd live in this Citadel right here. Just come down the Citadel and go surfing. Except there's no waves. Oh, there's no waves. Let's try add on that. Bitcoin Citadel by the ocean with waves. Let's see. And for the people who just tuned in, if you want to put messages on the screen, you can tip the left QR code. The minimum tip is only 69 sats, so you can pay 69 sats to just display messages on the screen. Just try not to be too autistic. Gonna get me busted by YouTube. Um, so I think I'm getting the hang of this DALL-E thing. You gotta just put in more words. If you put in just, and you have to put in like a phrase. If you just put in random words, it doesn't seem to do good at all. But if you describe like a scene like I did here, then it comes out pretty good. Yeah. Yeah, well, that was pretty good. That was pretty good. We should just pay little kids if we don't even need DALL-E, right? You can just just stream and then give little kids a prompt and then see what they make. They probably make cool stuff too. Um, am I receiving tips? I haven't been paying attention to the tips this week. Not getting too much tips this week. But we got a lot of tips last time because Charlie was drunk and he came to the stream and just donated like $20 or something like that. I forget what he donated. But he donated multiple times and he just kept donating and it added up to. So all the set you're getting is from Charlie. Or some of it. I already gave a lot of it away. I've been doing a lot of faucets just to I think faucets are good like orange pill for like newbies because then it incentivizes them to at least download the wallet and see how easy it is to use the Lightning Network. Um, which people don't know. People don't care. People just use Venmo and stuff. That's why I like the plebs from El Salvador and Argentina and stuff because they understand it much more. All the normies over here, they don't get that. Why do I need that? I just Venmo. Except I don't accept Venmo for anything. I refuse Venmo if anybody tries to Venmo me money. I don't even have that app on my phone. Um, Deleted it years ago. Uh, Marcelo. So I already doxed myself earlier because I saw somebody in the chat that I haven't seen in a long time. I grew up in Hawaii. I don't live there anymore though. It's too expensive. The people in the government just make dumb rules. Like Strike isn't even live there because they don't like Bitcoin in Hawaii. And it's super expensive to live there, and it's not a great place to be for the fourth turning. Uh, yeah, the fourth turning is just a period of chaos for people who haven't read like the book, The Fourth Turning. Um, so you didn't get the fourth turning. um, It's just different how we follow cycles in history. So right now we're in the fourth turning according to the cycles that has happened for the past few hundred years, and it's a period of just civil unrest and big change about to happen, like um, how everybody has lost all trust in the big institutions and stuff like that. So probably at some point something's gonna break, and then we'll build new systems. Bitcoin is possibly one new system. Um, like if the monetary system fails, the fiat system, it's possible Bitcoin could become like the main monetary system. If that happens, there's going to be a lot of chaos while that happens. But uh, I think it would end up being better once we get through the chaos, which is what happens. The fourth turning is chaos, institutions or whatever systems collapse, and then the first turning is when we rebuild everything, and that's the period that's like really good. So you just gotta survive the fourth turning now, and then you should be good. The turnings usually last about 25 years, I think, historically, 25 years. Um, or your English, uh, that's okay. My English is probably not good either. That's why you don't understand me. I grew up in Hawaii, and we speak grew up speaking Pidgin English, so a lot of the grammar rules we don't follow. Uh, I don't have too much of a Pidgin accent anymore, but comes out more when I hang out with people from Hawaii. Oh, see, we got a pleb from Argentina. Marcelo's from Argentina. I like the Latam plebs. I'm learning Spanish too, but um, I'm not good at speaking it. But I can understand Spanish probably at like a third grade level, maybe a little higher than that. I've been doing Duolingo every day for over 400 days now. Getting ready to go to El Salvador. I'm going there um, for the Adopting Bitcoin conference in November. So it's gonna be my first time in El Salvador. I've been planning to go there for a long time already. Um, Buenísimo. What is buenísimo? I don't know that word. Saludos desde El Salvador. Hello from El Salvador. Multimedia, you're from El Salvador? I guess since I like El Salvador and Argentina, maybe I attract also the the plebs from El Salvador and Argentina. I gotta get better at Spanish, then I can do the live streams at Spanish. Maybe in a year from now. Um, we'll see. I'm glad. I hope the Salvadoran and Argentinian plebs are grabbing all those sats, because uh, I always try to get the sats into their hands. Buenísimo is great. Okay. Buenísimo. I wonder if DALL-E will understand Spanish. Can you guys give me like a Spanish phrase to type into DALL-E? I wonder if it will work. Um, Argentina, is it greater than 80%? Holy crap, I thought it was like 50, 60%. Let's see. Let me check Twitter too if anybody posted any pictures. No pictures. Yeah, Friday nights, you guys are lucky you can claim all the sats. More people around Saturday night seems like. Friday night, people are tired from work, I guess they go out happy hour, something. Uh, I don't know. Chevre. I thought chivo meant cool. Is chivo like slang for chevre? Greater than 6% a month? Chevre. Isn't chivo cool? I thought that's why they named that the wallet. Or is chivo just slang for chevre? Chevre. I can't do the R's. Can't do the Spanish R's. Let's see. Uh, let's do surfing in El Salvador. Oh, I spelled surfing wrong. Surfing in El Salvador. Let's see. It's related. Okay. So it's like a synonym. Wait, multimedia. Multimedia, are you Burnaby? Does this look like El Salvador? Can't really tell. It's pretty cool. These aren't real pictures though. The artificial intelligence just made this from scratch. That wave looks fun. I like waves around this side. I'm not good at surfing, but this size wave looks really fun. Or like this size, yeah. It's like not too big, but still fun. Okay. I thought claro. Claro. I thought that meant okay. Claro. At least Duolingo says claro all the time to me and like okay, sounds good. I didn't know you could say chivo to agree. Let's see. Like eating pupusas in El Salvador. Let's try that. What's scary? DALL-E scary? you, the Boston Dynamics robot dog is scary. Look at this. These are just the artificial intelligence just made these pictures. What happened to this person's hand? What the hell? Even this person's hand. Sometimes it jacks up the people, Dolly. Eating pupusas in El Salvador at a street vendor. Let's see. I don't think he means El Salvador is scary. I think he means DALL-E is scary. The artificial intelligence, if I'm getting that. Come on, DALL-E. It's just focusing on the pupusas. I wanted to see like the. How about drinking from a coconut on the beach? Alright, how much sats are left? Let's see. Are the sats drained already? I think it's gone, huh? Yeah. You guys got all the sats already, so um we can stream for a little bit more. But the faucet's dead. Let me turn it off so if new people come in they don't Try and scan it. I just put enough to stream for like um half an hour, and we got 45 minutes already. Let's see. Nice. Okay. Probably stream for like 5 more minutes or something if you guys got anything else. Um, I wonder why DALL-E. Oh, maybe if a person drinking. I want to see what the person looks like. Oh, that's pretty crazy. Look at this. These are just fake people. What? And that person really likes the coconut. Okay, let's try person eating pupusas. Eating pupusas at a street vendor in El Salvador. What about Argentina? What's the street food in Argentina? I've never been to Argentina. Haven't. It only shows their hands. What the hell? Doesn't put sauce in it this time though. How about person eating tacos on the beach? Choripan? What's choripan? I guess I can ask DALL-E what choripan is. Yeah, I'm planning to go to El Zante. These tacos do not look that good. It looks like a Taco Bell taco. Let's ask DALL-E what a choripan. Person eating what is it? Choripan in Argentina. In Voltage, you can hook it up to all kinds of stuff. They provide Thunder Hub dashboard in Voltage, but then they have guides on how you can run a lot of other tools if you want to use something else. But I mostly just use Thunder Hub because it's right there in the dashboard, and you don't have to. If you want to run other tools, you got to run it on your local machine, and then Voltage has instructions how to hook up your node to your local machine. The QR code disappeared because I turned it off because I ran out of sats. I already gave away like $30 or $40. Let's see. Choripan. What is that? It's just like a hot dog? What is that? I wonder if that's what it really looks like. Let's try to Bitcoin Citadel on the volcano in El Salvador. How's that one? Is it really like a hot dog? I'm asking you if it's like a hot dog. That's what it looks like on the picture. Does this look like the volcano in El Salvador? I don't know what it looks like. I put Bitcoin Citadel though. Why does it? It's kind of cool that it does like the photography trick where it focuses on the Bitcoin and then puts the background out of focus. Oh, this one came out pretty good. Let's see. City scene in San Salvador. Try that. It didn't go. I don't know. But something went wrong. Okay. Yeah. Let's see. Does this look like San Salvador? What is this thing in the middle though? Okay. Let's do city scene and neighborhood in El Salvador. Let's see how much credits we got left. Got 5 credits left. Let's use up all the credits and then we'll wrap up the stream. Looks like it could be El Dante. I haven't been there, but from pictures. Chorizo, hard pork sausage. Oh, my stomach wouldn't be able to handle that, man. I got an old man stomach. I think I can do pupusas. I don't know if I could do, what was it called again? Charismo. I forgot it was called. Choripan. Charismo. Click my Twitter DM. You got a image or something for me? Check this Brazilian account. Oh, sorry, you couldn't get any sats. Next time, somebody was snagging them. Burnaby's the pro. He comes to all the streams, so he knows how to do it. They got deals for DALL-E? Alright, I'll check it out later. Let's use the. I got these credits free though. They give you 50 credits for free. Once they let you in. I don't know what to do. Let's do poo. What do you call it? Pupuseria? Is that what you call a pupusa place? Happy hour. Pupuseria. The happy hour pupuseria in El Salvador. I want to see the crowd of people. Crowd of people. Let's see. Huh. I guess maybe it doesn't like to do faces or something. Just like the backs of people's heads. Let's try Bitcoin 2022 Miami conference. This looks like a way crappier conference than the actual Bitcoin 2022 conference. No, that one didn't work well at all. Surfer doing an Air 360. How much credits we got? Oh, we only got one left. Ooh, surfboard looks weird. He got 3 legs too. What's going on? Oh, he got like a leg for an arm. What? Oh, that one's sick, man. That's a launch. That's not an Air 360. That's like a barrel roll. That's a pretty high launch for like a 1 foot wave. Okay, we got one left. Let's do skateboarder. Skateboarder launching on a big ramp. Okay, last credit, and then wrapping it up for tonight. Oh, I ran out of credits already. Oh well. Alright, we'll wrap up the stream then. I hope all you guys in the chat got some sats. I'll catch you guys next stream. Alright, have a good night. Let's end it.